Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel. God bless you. My lovely fans, when we think say me Edoche matter for court with you don't end. We never knew that case never end. Anybody will tell you say case is concluded. Now, case never end. The me Edoche money will not to thief. Who won't pay am? Who won't pay that money exactly? Now, this money that you stole, we all know where the money go. Juju Ekwensu and her family. With the different side chick and married women, when they knock, they go. So you want me, Edoche, to let go of her hard-earned money? Umbanona. Or they not working. It's not going to work. So right now, the money case, when you thief, is still in court. He's still in court because the only way the case go to end, now make it just pay back. And you is not ready to pay back. Apart from being you is not ready, he not get the money. Now, another serious case they court when he go tie Grandpapa Pete Edoche. Hey, abeg, make una carry joko. Make una come here to read. This one not be waka and listen. No. This is sit down, jejeje, with your popcorn. Make una come listen to read. Hey, may God not let us born a son like you, a prodigal son for that matter. Now, this court case of money matter, we never knew that there is one when he be say is strong when he be say go tie Pete Edoche. Now, the case is complicated because you they talk go this side, your papa they talk go that side. The court wants them to return back the money. That is what the court wants. And now, to return the money, the thing go hook Grandpapa Pete Edoche, which might result to them taking that money from Grandpapa Pete Edoche account. Hey! Which Grandpapa stand the ground say he knows nothing about what happened. Now, my people, without wasting your time, make I give you the details of the latest gist when he just land our table. When yo and Juju Ekwensu the date, I go first tell una waiting Grandpapa talk. Then I come tell una the own side of yo. After the courts were doing their tracing of the money, this money draw their attention. The money not be small money. It is a very big amount of money that was withdrawn from May Edoche and you personal accounts. Both of them, two of them open account, just for two of them. It is not their family account, just husband and wife accounts for both of them. A big amount of money was moved from that account. The money big, and it drew the attention of the judge to that amount of money. When they went to do their research, say they go do their research. They call bank, go anywhere. They drop the statement for them. If you think that these people cannot get how you get your money, how your money take on your line, unless they're not ready to work. If they are ready to work, they will get all the details, and it's not going to be 1 week. On that 30 minutes, they don't get everything. Call this bank, call that bank, call here. Everything in their hand. So when they did their research, they found out that the amount of money when they remove from that account was transferred to Grandpapa Pete's account. When they find out that that money was transferred to Grandpapa Pete's account, when they find out that this amount of money was transferred to Grandpapa Pete's account, now they call the old man. They can't call the old man to interrogate Grandpapa. So they now called Grandpapa to interrogate Grandpapa about that amount of money when he enter the account. They can't call Grandpapa to interrogate Grandpapa. As they call the old man to ask him question, now the old man content they say, if they own jejeje, he say, this kind big amount of money entered into his account. And when he control, he saw that the money was sent to him by his son. Now he can call his son, say, did you make a mistake? See money wey e enter his account. He say now his son come tell am say, papa, I'm very sorry o. Na mistake. He be wan send am go give person. He say now his son yo come tell am say, papa, sorry, it's a mistake. He be wan send the money go give person, but he can't go send am enter your account. Now grandpapa come say, okay o, he wan go resend am come give you. He say his son yo come tell am say, no papa, no worry. Just hold the money for the account first. He go tell you when to send am to am. Papa say, na his son not be another person. So since his son say, hold am first, I'll tell you when to send am. He say, no question. Now he say, leave the money for there. That money spent 6 months in his account. After 6 months, his son go dey tell am say, papa, send 10 million, send 5 million, send million. Now so he can't send that. Send the money into 5 places to his son. He say 1 naira, he no chop for that money. Now, where grandpapa for come enter problem be say, that money when you use send go give grandpapa for your account, the money was no longer returned to your account. The money was now sent to Papa Juju Ekwensu account. Wonder shall never end. These people really came to finish me Edochie. That's why they can't take the success of me Edochie. That's why they can't stand our progress. Because deep inside them, they wanted to frustrate that woman. They wanted to dry her. You see orange, you know as they squeeze orange, you go squeeze all the water, you go even eat everything. You can't remain only that white thing with the inside. Now wetin they won't do me Edochie. That was their plan. That's why they cannot stand this woman's success. That's why they fall into depression, anxiety because of me Edochie's success. The money that Papa you can transfer from your account straight to Papa Juju Ekwensu account. Now they call us and say, your son mistakenly sent money to your account. Why he can't tell you me he send the money to another person's account? Why not send it back to your son? Grandpapa say, no, say, you say send the money, go put for this person's account. Now this person, now he won't give the money to. He can't mistake send that to your account. And they can't tell grandpapa say, then why sharing it into 5 places and not sending it once? He said, now his son they tell him, make it till they send the money. Now he take send her. Now court can say, grandpapa matter is not clear from their ear. So grandpapa they under investigation. Now they see something. Why the court were investigating to know whether grandpapa knows something or not know something. Yo come pass back. Come they tell people say, this is papa now wow. Waiting papa follow and plan. They don't carry and put for only he head. He said that the reason why make her not like you family people. As if he say everything don't cast, make everybody cast together. But some are trying to do as if they are good, making the whole world look at him as if not be the bad person. Yo pass back because he know if he go talk for court. If he talk and once they go take back him papa, he come pass back go they tell people say, you see, say when Juju Ekwensu they beg and say the papa has not good for why. He say he tell the papa say what Juju Ekwensu they tell him. He say papa tell him say not be just to renovate, just step panel the house look too bad. He say now I go tell papa say if you won't collect the money now I won't do that kind of huge amount of money to renovate that kind of house. If he collect am, may Edochie go suspect. Say may Edochie go cash am. He no fit remove that kind of amount of money. To they remove small, it dey okay. But to just go carry that big one, may Edochie go cash am. He say papa go tell am say send the money into my account. If you send that into my account, if me Edochie find out, tell am say, now me tell you say may you send her. Say I will pay you back. She's not going to doubt it. You say now so he can't send the money put for a papa account. He say after he put the money for the account, he say me Edochie true. that amount of money wey comot, e draw me Edochie attention. Me Edochie come meet am, say the way me Edochie take rush come meet am, wetin dey happen, say amount of money wey dey miss for account, say na e come tell me Edochie, say make me Edochie relax, say na e papa na him send the money to urgently, say the papa go pay back into the account. He say me Edochie come say, thank God o, she be don fear. So you say na so after the papa come still tell am say make he wait, make reach 6 months before he start to dey do the work, make dem see whether ground clear. If me Edochie attention not draw to this money again, fine, they can continue. But if me Edochie attention is drawn to this money, quick, they will return it back to that account. You see na so papa come dey send out the money. He come dey send the money, put for Juju Ekwesu papa account, because na papa Juju Ekwesu dey do the work. He own na to bring the money. Me Edochie suffer. There is a reason why God is blessing me Edochie. A lot of people do not know. There is a reason why God is blessing this woman. The plans they planned in her back, the evil they planned in me Edochie back was too much. They really wanted to finish this woman. They really wanted to damage her. Chineke, can you imagine? Me Edochie never knew all these things. Now so they say money go give Papa Juju Ekwesu. Papa Juju Ekwesu call the builders. You say na so it happen. If Papa say no be so it happen. Who is lying and who is saying the truth? Make una let me know that one for the comment section. So right now, that case come the court. The case neither they drag for court. Why? Because you not get that amount of money to return back. And a grandpapa Pete account, now the money enter. So the courts are still on the case. Why? Because the court we are still on the case. Why? Because grandpapa that amount of money they account, which they can replace, which they can withdraw to replace the stolen money. You see why court owe grandpapa for trouser? You not get that kind of amount for account. The only thing they can do is tell him to pay. But grandpapa now, when be say they post the money, go put for your account. Grandpapa get that kind of money to pay back. So the court are holding grandpapa. If you not pay, papa will pay. So according to the court, since na grandpapa account the money enter, and he stayed in his account for 6 months, without him doing or saying anything about it, they hold grandpapa for trouser. The money we get for account, now the court want to replace him. Grandpapa is fighting out to say he knows nothing about this money. Say he no get hand, he no get leg for this matter. Now the matter now still dey court now. When they still dey judge now. Because now, grandpapa want to wash his hand and leave it for you. The court already know that you cannot pay that money. And that money cannot be gone like that. Because now grandpapa send the money, go give Papa Juju Ekwesu. There is no you sent the money. You sent it to the father. And the father sent it to Papa Juju Ekwesu. According to law, that is what they saw. You no get hand for how the money take reach Papa Juju Ekwesu hand again. They tell grandpapa say if you get evidence to prove, say now you tell him, make him send the money. Enter Papa Juju Ekwesu account. Grandpapa no get. Grandpapa no get. My lovely fans, that amount of money, when you transfer to his father's account, that amount of money has been frozen in grandpapa account. Yes, somebody have to pay. No be small wahala dey for Pete Edochie household. Prodigal son. What if what the father is saying is truth and what you is saying is lie? Now we say the papa really born. But who knows who is saying the truth and who is lying? The court is not interested. They say they only want evidence for them to prove, for Pete Edochie to prove. Say, you now tell me send the money into the account. Grandpapa say no even know who get the account. Say you just tell us, say send that. And this person now be won't send the money to when you make mistake. He said now he take send money. He says so he don't know even the person will get the account. Hey, how do you even send money? You don't know the name of the person. We get account. They still dey do am like that. So this case now, he hold grandpapa for neck. He hold am. Grandpapa dey find everything to prove himself innocent. He has not seen any strong evidence wey he wan carry go court. So that amount of money is being frozen from grandpapa account. Which, if there is no conclusion, grandpapa money dey go take pay put. Then he and his son, na go settle their gbasgbos for their house. That one not go concern courts. So court people now, they are not holding to this grandpapa money. They are holding to it. Man go carry his wife hard-earned money. Use am to renovate your papa house. And you know very well that that money was collected from husband and wife account. You balance, they collect the money. Tell me why God no go punish Eko Insuru Masi Mami Water. Tell me why God no go conquer Eko Insuru Masi Mami Water head. This woman is wicked. She is wicked. I'm telling you, this woman is wicked. God is really vindicating for me, Edosho. Only you now don't go to tell people they go. Say, see the fact of what happened. And the papa don't already talk another thing. Hey! Who do we believe now? Who do we believe? The only thing where they sweet my belly say, at the end of the day, now grandpapa go pay put. That your account, now money from go from May Edochie account. From May Edochie and you account straight to grandpapa. You was not in the midst. The money was from May Edochie account straight to grandpapa. Grandpapa was straight to Papa Juju Ekwensu. Who they want who? I know say they go hold you, but now the person account with money enter. Hey, you in trouble. The papa in trouble. Papa Juju Ekwensu in trouble. Wonder shall never end. They say when they go trace Papa Juju Ekwensu, not be small money. Now through this one they take go trace, consistency. Not be small money when you they carry, they give this family. Not be small money. Even from his own children account. You sent money from his own children account to this family. This family were really living big. Oh. They were living big. Meanwhile, me Edochie they dry. Aye, that woman they dry. I don't say as me Edochie be for marriage. I don't say as it be. God punish anybody who say make any woman they endure, make any woman they get patient for marriage for the wrong path. It is fine to be patient in your marriage. It is fine to endure, but for a good reason. But for a good reason. Not be this kind one. Monkey they walk, babu they chop. Do you think it's Nollywood movie money that you was using to live that kind of expensive lifestyle with Juju Ekwensu? They say weekend like this, they'll just come out. They'll leave their house for Enugu. Two of the renters and they were staying together. They'll leave their house to just go expensive hotel. To go sleep, go stay there, enjoy, eat. Then they'll come back. Meanwhile, the woman that was working this morning was in one place. She go dey dry. She know they see husband. She know, you do me Edochie. You do me Edochie. Una go pay o. The way the court they go for the decision. If I tell una say belle no sweet me, na lie. If nobody is being held responsible, grandpapa will pay. And they are frozen that amount of money. Do you want me Edochie to lose all this amount of money? Never. They will all pay for it. As they take collect, they will pay. Wonder shall never end, my people. What do you guys think? Who is saying the truth and who is lying? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.